He's like, I just came to get some food.
Ew, one of them pooped on me. Ew, he pooped on me. Don't wipe it in the pool, Tommy. Use that hole.
Hey, now go get. Go. Go get. No more food. Go. What is that one, the brown one? I don't know. That's not even like a seagull. Maybe he's just there.
One, two, three. Whew.
Go in.
Took a nice dump, Nina.
Oh my gosh, I wanted to take a dump. And you here like taking precious time.
Hey, you don't time a man's dump, all right?
You do.
We're leaving.
Okay, especially if you're taking a shit yourself.
Yes, hurts. You don't time a man's dump, all right? And I took a shower, now I'm nice and fresh. You know what I mean?
I'm waiting until I come back.
They hold it out the air, you did that. You're gonna hold it. You're gonna hold it till you're at the beach. Who's throwing them?
Hold it until I come back.
Nasty. Why does that one look so?
That's not a seagull.
It is.
Oh, they don't know.
That was like a hawk. It's a baby hawk.
Cause
Here.
it's just there wheezing.
He's coming over here.
Hey!
Shut up,
They'll take
Nina.
it right now. 1, 2, 3.
That's not his food.
You're mean. Look at him.
Oh, you're gonna make him choke on it.
Right, yeah.
What was that?
That was a pine cone.
He's eating it.
Pine cone. One of them's eating it.
Sorry.
They know.
You're gonna die. You're the smart one.
I want to grab one.
That's a Tic Tac. The one's eating a Tic Tac.
They're going bye-bye.
You know, look, he's eating a Tic Tac.
Hey.
That one right there.
Yeah, he's like.
No.
Ah!
Way. You should have finished the Tic Tac.
Then leave it. Oh, what? He heard calls. He heard it.
Sound like a monkey. Shut up.
Right.
Sound like a bird.
Nobody's going to that pool.
You still recording?
Yeah.
What the heck?
They're out. They're hearing calls. He thought the leaf was food. That one. He thought the leaf was food. He was chasing it.
1, 2,
3. Hey, there's a car.
Car.
No, they don't care.
Yeah, if that was you, you would have kept going.
They're leaving. They hear it.
He almost hit a bird the other day.
Right, it was like right there.
You weren't there. It was just me.
No, he was in the car.
Happened yesterday. It is. But he was like, he said they don't have no business down here with us. They don't have no business. They got that whole sky. Why are they down here with us?
All right.
The moon.